In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an app using your Google Sheets data. Start by opening the Google Sheet that holds the data you want to use. Make sure you are viewing the correct spreadsheet and the correct tab because you will publish a specific sheet for embedding. Once the file is open, go to the top left menu and click File. In the File menu, click Share, and then choose Publish to Web. This is the key step that makes your sheet available to display inside another page. In the Publish to the Web window, choose Embed. Embedding is what gives you a snippet that can be placed into a site or app-like web page, so your content displays automatically. Next, click the area that is highlighted in that window and select the sheet or tab you want to publish. In this case, choose the template tab that you plan to display. After you confirm the correct selection, click Publish. If you see a confirmation prompt, accept it so the embed is generated. Now focus on the embed details. Click into the highlighted area and type in the highlighted field as shown in the instructions. This is typically where you confirm or label what you are publishing, so be careful to match what is shown. When that is done, switch over to your site editor page. Again, click into the highlighted field there and type in the highlighted area as directed. This part helps connect what you published from Google Sheets to the page where you want it to appear. Click Next to continue. Once you are in the editor section, click Insert. This is where you add elements to the page. From there, click Section Colors, choose the highlighted color option shown. Then continue clicking the highlighted selections that follow to apply the correct section style. This sequence sets the look and feel so the embedded content fits cleanly with your page design. After you finish applying the highlighted style choices, click Next again. Finally, click the highlighted field, type in the highlighted area as instructed, and then make the last highlighted selection to confirm your setup. At this point, your Google Sheets data is published and embedded into your page, creating a simple app-like experience powered by your spreadsheet. That covers everything you need to know.